Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me the new Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra mobile phone, and in this video I will show you how to take a screenshot in this phone. So guys, what you have to do, you have to use two buttons. The first one is volume down button and the second one is power button. So you have to press these buttons together, then you will be able to take the screenshot. I will show you how does it work. So I will press the volume down button and power button together. Okay, and now you see the screenshot has been taken, and in below you will see some details. I will show you again. So you have to press the volume down button and power button together, and then on the downside you will be able to see the editing tool. So I press it, and now you can see here you can edit your screenshot. You can change the size. For example, you can see over here you will be able to change the size. The other thing what you can do, if you want to write on it, you can also write by pressing this button, and then you see you will be able to select different pens. You will be able to select different colors. You can see over here you have different color options. Okay, and when you press here you can see you have more options for the color. You can customize your colors as well. So this is really cool, and then you can write anything on your screenshot. So for example, I select this color with this thickness. There are different thickness, so I select this one, and now you will be able to write anything on the screen. You can see over here on the screenshot. The second option is the eraser option. So you can press this eraser option, and then you can erase what you write on the screen. Okay, so you can see over here, so you will be able to erase it. Then we have the undo option. Okay, and we also have the redo option. So this is undo option, then we have the redo option, and then we have the share option. So once you press this sharing icon, and then you see you will be able to share your screenshot on all platforms like Gmail. You can send by message, you can send on Facebook, whatever platform you want to do. And the last option here is the download option. So you can also download your screenshot. So guys, this is really amazing. You can edit your screenshot as well. You can take any screenshot from your mobile screen. Just you have to use this volume down button and power button together, and then you can easily take the screenshot. You can see over here, and then if you click over here you can see you have the option of open it with the gallery or photo. So you have these two options as well. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. Please do subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you very much.